Hey y'all, Pieces of Nika is back, and in today's video I am going to be trying out this Vortex Power XL air fryer, and I am going to be doing sweet potato fries and regular potato fries. So I found that it's plugged in, but I see that it's off. As long as this is out, once you pop this in, then it comes on. You can select whatever food that you're going to do, so you can watch me do that. And I line the bottom with foil for easy cleanup. This is the little tray, so have the foil inside of there. It's a little handle here, and you just stick the tray down in there like this. Right, so, and the foil's under the bottom. We're going to spray with some Pam inside of here. I've already chopped up some potatoes here and some sweet potatoes here. I'm going to just spray them too. What I'm going to do now is just put my fries down in here. I'm going to just divide them up like so and just kind of spread them out a little bit. That's, I'm going to pop them in here. So slide that in, turn it on. You can't really see it, but right there, there's a French fry button right here. So I'm going to hit French fry, and it's going to do 400 degrees. And it's actually finished to start for 18 minutes. And you can even do more minutes if you want, so we'll do 20 minutes. And see what that does. And so now it is starting. So I'm going to check on these in 20 minutes and I'll be back. Alright, so once it was done, it started to beep. So let me know that they're ready. So the sweet potato fries look a little overcooked. But we're going to taste them and see. And this is what the fries look like. And so I hope you all enjoyed this video. The fries taste good. I'm going to enjoy using this air fryer. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.